Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and this little notebook is one of my favorite things to journal with.
This journal is by Paperage, and I have it here in this really beautiful dark green color. It is a hardcover journal. It's pretty compact, so it's easy to take with you on the go. It has a band to keep it closed. It also has a bookmark to keep your spot, and it has a pocket in the back. So it's a really convenient journal. What I love most about it is that it is dotted. I love dotted journals because you are really in control. You can use it for so many different things creatively, or even just as a traditional journal. You can follow those dots to write in straight lines. But this is also really great for bullet journaling as well. I appreciate that the journal lies flat too, so it's super easy to use. It's comfortable to write in. The pages have a nice thickness too. I find that it doesn't bleed through, and I press pretty hard when I'm writing too, but the page doesn't rip or anything like that. So I'm able to really utilize the entire journal. So whether you're freestyling or whether you're following the dots to write in neater lines, I find that this is just perfect to let my ideas flow. It's really great quality and I'm so happy with it.
But that's just my point of view.